everybody. Check out this 1970 RestoMod LT4 Chevelle. I'm going to take you guys on a little test drive. Has a 10-speed automatic transmission, frame off restoration, frame all powder coated, bare 6-piston brakes, forged line wheels, tucked bumper, shaved firewall. Everything's brand new. Full speed tech suspension front to back, coilover adjustable shocks all the way around, Curry 9-inch rear end. This thing's got the works. All brand new glass, brand new interior, brand new gauges, all digital Coda, vintage AC. This is one of my first times driving it right here. It's my co-pilot. It's got 304 miles on it since it's been built. This will be my very first time getting on it. I want you guys to go to the shifting first. Most of the gear is so clean. I love how this 10-speed sound. I'm going to slow it down. About a 40-mile-an-hour roll. Anticipate breaking loose.